Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna review the new Identity palette from Persona Cosmetics. This is the Identity 2 palette and it looks like that. I created this makeup look using the green shade in the palette. I'm planning to do a separate video with all the shimmer shades in the palette. I started today with the green one. So if you want to see how to achieve this really dramatic smoky eye, then keep on watching. I received the package the other day and I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do that on camera and share my first initial impressions with you. And inside is the palette. Whoop. And here we have it. First impressions, it feels really steady. It's plastic, but as I said, it can be recycled. And again, the logo, Persona and Identity 2. 12 months, you have the period, expiration period on the back. Let's open it. Ooh, it comes with huge mirror, you can see, and here are the shades. I mean, they're gorgeous, don't you think? Beautiful. You have mattes, you have shimmers, and today I really want to try and use this gorgeous green shade, which is called Driven. I'm using this Sigma blending brush, which is my favorite blending brush, E40, and I'm starting with the shades, transitional shades, Kind and Loyal. The first, these two shades. I'm going in with the shade Loyal, using the same brush. You can really see the pigment. I'm switching to this Morphe M433 brush and use the shade Brave, which is this gorgeous deep brown shade, and use it only in the outer corners. Okay, I think I'm gonna use the finger to apply it. First, I will swatch it for you. Ooh. Let's apply some concealer. Right, let's finish off the eye makeup. I'm using again the shade Brave. And I will use the shade... Actually, I really want to go really dark, so I'm using the shade Limitless, which is the black one in the palette. I went really dark. I'm using the Persona Plum eyeliner. I applied the false lashes. I want to apply a little bit of this YSL cream highlighter in the shade light gold. Before applying my powder product. Pretty. Bronzer, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Fantastic. Smells so good every time.
Taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name with my eyes on the wall. You were running like
That. A little bit of blush. I'm using the MAC Melba blush.
you got me waiting.
And a little bit of the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Fine Wine.
Do the purpose now.
For my highlighter, I'm using the Persona. So many products of Persona. Zuma. Looks like that. Cali Glow.
You've been playing my mind lately.
That. To finish off the look, I'm using a nude lipstick. This is the H&M lipstick in the shade Peach Fuzz. Looks like that. And we are done. And this is the final look. My first impressions, I really like the green color. At first it was not that easy to work with it. I really needed to pack it to pack on the color so that it can be more intense. But in general I like the green, how it turned out, and also with the combination with the black in the palette. I really like the black. Is really intense. Yeah, what else? The transitional shades, they are really nice, I think, especially the Loyo I really like. Yeah, the Zuma highlighter is on fleek. Next time I think I want to play more with this unique gold shade. My first impressions, I like it. I really like it. I think you can create many awesome looks with it, also daytime as well as nighttime looks. Stay updated for more upcoming videos using this Identity 2 palette. And also find me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, so you can be updated when I'm uploading videos. You can also turn on your notification bell here on YouTube, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!